your money on the green bar on the left. You'll earn money over time. It's used to purchase units and upgrade your rank. First, you should buy a Jeep. To buy a Jeep, put your hand over it, then pull and hold the T button to grab it. Pull it out, drop it in the world, and it will spawn at your base and move to wherever you dropped it. If you drop it on an enemy, it attacks when it's in range. For now, drop the Jeep at the indicated location. Good job! There's an enemy unit in the middle of the battlefield. Touch your Jeep, pull and hold the T button, and draw a path directly onto the enemy unit to target and attack it. You'll see a red target indicator on the enemy unit when you do. Your Jeep will move to the target and attack as soon as it's in range. Your base will spawn infantry for you. You don't control infantry. They follow the lane. Drag your Jeep into the lane. Wait until you see the indicator line and let it go. Now it will follow the path. Touch the Jeep and drag it into the lane while holding the T button. Well done.
Tower, this is Hercules. Dropping cargo crate now.
That plane overhead is going to drop a war chest. War chests land on the red X's, and whichever side collects them gets a monetary bonus. Path your Jeep over to where it lands and collect it. When you have enough money, you can start building more advanced units. When you can afford to upgrade, the lock on the clipboard will turn green. Grab the lock and pull it free to unlock the next tier of advanced units. A dive bomber has spawned from the enemy base and it's going after your Jeep. Use the triangle button to open your UI. Buy a fighter plane and drop it nearby. Now it will shoot down that enemy plane. You can direct target an enemy plane or planes will automatically attack other aircraft that enter their airspace. You can also use your fighter to strafe enemy ground units. Touch the fighter, pull and hold the T button, then draw a path that goes across the ground. Watch the bullets tear through enemy infantry. Well done. If you draw your plane's path in a circle and connect it, you can create a loop. Try that now. Excellent. Your plane is now in a loop. You can do the same thing to ground vehicles if you want them to patrol a certain area. Open the clipboard and you'll see a flashing tab at the top. Pull it out to see information about your current game. The bottom tab can be pulled out and shows you information about whatever vehicle you select in the clipboard. Spawn an artillery truck. Artillery doesn't need line of sight in order to fire at an enemy unit. Once it makes its way to its location, it will fire at that motorcycle on the other side of the wall. Grab a troop truck from the clipboard and put it near your tower. Troop trucks can't defend themselves, but if you put them somewhere safe, they will spawn infantry, which helps fill the lanes along with your base infantry. Remember, you don't control them. The ATG, or anti-tank, is a very powerful weapon to use against enemy ground troops. It doesn't move very fast, but once it's planted, it uses its range and power to destroy enemy vehicles. Congratulations, you've completed your training. Open the UI, press the exit button, and you can head back to the command tent.